Welcome to the second video in the PDC Data Submission video series, where we will start the process of submitting data to the PDC. Before you begin the data submission process, we recommend you review two things for your reference. First, open the PDC Data Model and Dictionary by selecting Data Model and Dictionary from the More menu. The data model describes the organization of all data ingested by PDC, and the data dictionary describes the metadata properties and their acceptable values. You can reference the data dictionary if you have questions about what to input for the forms you will fill out during these tutorials. If you want to see how the information you provide at a specific step will relate to your study, you can click Data Model for a diagram showing these relationships. Secondly, you should add all your metadata to the PDC submission template. You can find the template within the How to Submit section of the portal. The template has separate spreadsheets for each of the entities in the PDC data model, like Sample and Aliquot. You should collect all the required information in this template before starting the submission process. You will either enter this information directly in the PDC's forms or upload the sheets as tab-separated text (TSV) files in later steps. If you need additional details, the instructions covered in this video are also outlined in the How to Submit Data Guide under the Submit Data tab on the portal. Do you have these resources at hand? Great! Let's tackle the first step of the data submission process: adding an instrument. After logging in to the PDC portal, select Submit Data and click Go to Workspace. Click the Create button in the left-hand corner and select Instrument. In this form, you will input specific information on the instrument. For this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an instrument for a mass spectrometer. Once you've completed the fields, click Submit. The program admin will review your form for approval. Once approved, you can upload the raw data. Click the Upload button. Select to either upload data directly from your computer or transfer data from an Amazon Web Services AWS S3 bucket. Next, select your pre-approved instrument to upload your files to. We'll select the mass spectrometer instrument that we just created. Click Next. From the Select Files section, click Browse Files or Browse Folder. Find the folder on your computer and select it. Click Next when all your files have been added. In the Set Labels and Annotation section, you have the option to add labels to help organize your raw files for your personal use. Close the template once the upload is complete. Let's quickly review the files you have uploaded to your instrument. Find your program name in the left panel under My Programs and click on Instruments. Select the three vertical dots in front of the instrument name you uploaded your files to and click Show Files. If you see metadata validation showing within the validation status Verification Pending with Submitter, you'll need to submit additional metadata to validate your data and avoid potential file corruption. Pause this video and go to our metadata validation video before moving on to the next step. Otherwise, you are ready to move on to creating the project that will house the data and metadata for your studies. In PDC, a study represents a set of raw files from analytical fractions, such as proteome or phosphoproteome, that are analyzed through a specific bioinformatics pipeline. Click our next video to continue, and don't forget to click the like button to let us know if you found this video helpful. If you have further questions, email the PDC Help Desk at pdchelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. datacommons.cancer.gov. NCI Proteomic Data Commons, proteomic.datacommons.cancer.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER.